sad. If they hate you, then I hate you too. It's as simple as that. I wanna see your mind painted in red. Isn't that so sad? Isn't that so sad? Don't I walk so normal? Don't I seem so bored? I'm unremarkable, so what are you all watching me for? Don't I act so normal? Don't I look so pretty? There's nothing to see, so why are you all watching me? I didn't mean to treat you with disdain, but honestly you deserved it. You keep pretending like you have an excuse to act like you're broken. And I don't think I'm kind enough to say that it's all in our head. 'Cause I can't change the stupid things I said, but I hope that I get better. Do you think I'm getting better? Don't I walk so normal? Do my eyes look scary? I bought some glasses so now no one knows what I am thinking. Don't I look so normal? Don't I look so pretty? I started laughing and now no one knows what I am thinking. Do they think I'm normal? Don't they think I'm pretty? 'Cause I care so much about what you think. No, I'm just kidding. I kinda think I'm awful. You know I'm pretty shitty, but if I admit it, maybe there's a chance for girls to love me. Don't you think I'm normal? Don't you think I'm pretty? I care so much about what you think, so look at me. Don't turn gray again. Don't freeze up, I'm sorry you have to see this fight. Everybody look at me. Everybody look at me. If they hate you, everybody look at me. Everybody, I started laughing. Everybody look at me.